Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. In this video, we are going to learn about one of the frequently asked question in the Spark that is related to the when and otherwise. Now, when to use this when and when to use this otherwise. When we are dealing with the conditional statement, that time we are using this when otherwise. To understand you this concept, let me take one of the example. Let's say you have one data frame, okay, and in that data frame there is one column called gender is there, okay. In this gender, so basically we have the value called G and value called M. So G is we have M and we have F actually, okay. So right now you are in a situation where you need to replace this F with the female and you need to replace this M with male, and you have a condition that whenever gender is equals to F, so if I just wanted to write down into the plain language, so you will write down the program like when gender equals to F, then you just need to print it, okay, or you just change the value of F to the female, and when gender equals to M, then the value should be print. I'm just making it as a print as a male. Otherwise, just make it the value as null. Something like that. You can just create a pseudo program. So this kind of functionality can be achieved in the Spark with the help of when and otherwise. Let's try to understand practically how we can use that. Now I have one data set. If you see my data set where gender one column is there and there are two values are there, M and F. By any chance, if you found any rows where the F is not given, let's say I'm just removing this F, okay. If I'm removing this F, it should be a null. So it should create another column, or if you want to just replace this gender column itself, you can do that with the help of with column. So let's try to see this practically. What I'm doing, I'm just opening my Eclipse. Where is that? Yeah, here. I have loaded this CSV file, the one which I just showed you, australia.csv, and I'm just writing the program here. So first of all, let's call the data frame. Our data frame name is CSV, get CSV dot. I want to use a with column because as we discussed earlier, with column is where you need to add a new column or you need to just replace the existing column. With column is looking for the column name, okay. So I'm just saying that I will replace the gender column G and DR, okay, and then I'm going to add it a condition, okay, get CSV dot with column gender, okay, and the column condition when I'm saying that when gender okay equals to, now since this gender is your column, you can call method and just remove this. When gender, let's remove this one also, this is getting confused, okay. So when column gender dot equals to, whenever the gender is M, then what you need to do, whenever gender is M, then make the value as male, and so again I need to use dot when condition. The condition is, what is another condition? When column, the column name is gender. When gender dot equals to, when gender equals to F, then the value should be female. You can also use dot, otherwise it should be null. Okay, and just close this. All right, so what we did, we have said to the Spark that whenever you see gender column and gender column value is M, make it male. Whenever the gender column value is F, make it female. Otherwise, means when there is no value called M or F, make it null. And then I'm going to print this result with the show. Remove the extra column and let's try to run it. Here we can see the result, and what is there in the result. If I go and scroll it little bit, here you can see the gender equals to male, female. So whenever there was a column called M, okay, I can just change the name also, gender updated. Let me make it gender updated. I'm sorry, gender updated. Save it and let's run it. What we can see the result. Yeah, so now it's looking kind of good. So previously I just tried to use a with column where I updated the existing column. Now I created another column. Whenever the gender is M, make it male. Whenever it is F, female. Since right now I can see only top 10 result, because of that only I cannot see that null value over here, because by default it will show only 10 to 20 records, not more than that. Okay, so this is how you can use when, otherwise, and this is really going to be really whenever you go for a Spark interview, you'll find such kind of scenarios. So go for it. And if you think that I'm doing a good job, great job, please do like, subscribe and share this channel. And if you're looking for training, definitely you can contact me. Thank you. Bye bye again. See you with the next video.